Today, Lyndsey and myself are here at the Engineering Technology Group in Wellesbourne. Now, if you've been following our channels over recent weeks, our social channels and the website, you'll know that the Discover Turnkey Excellence event is happening on the 2nd and the 3rd of October here in Wellesbourne. Lyndsey, we're going to be here, aren't we? Looking forward to it. What are we going to be up to?
Well, we're going to be quite busy. It's turnkey, so we're talking about whole projects at the same time. So we've got a lot of experts on hand to be answering your questions, because I have just been told that we are presenting at the event, but I haven't registered yet.
Well, you need to do that. And if you want to come and see all these fabulous brands and machines like we've got behind us, Barvius, Chiron, Nakamura, Quasar, Hardinge, Bridgeport, they'll all be here. But Lyndsey, like you said, you haven't registered. Do you want to show us how you do it?
Okay, it's really, really simple. So you just go onto the Eng Tech Group website. You get an instant pop-up, you click on that, scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then you'll see all of the information about the event and what's happening. But as you scroll down, you enter all your details simply here.
And then once you press send, you'll get an email, you're registered for the event, and then we all look forward to seeing you here on either the 2nd or the 3rd of October on the Discover Turnkey Excellence event. Get brushed up on your knowledge.
Well, I'm going to now register, so...
Okay, crack on.